Hi friends, today I am going to make realistic lemon drawing. First of all, I am drawing an outline of the lemons. I rubbed the pencil outline so that it would look clean and doesn't ruin the colors. First, I am using shade lime from Brustro color pencils. After this, I am using shade grass green. Side by side, I am also using forest green and fern green shades. Watch till the end for amazing result. Please give this video a thumbs up. Also share with your friends. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, press the bell icon for latest updates. For shadow effect, using shade charcoal black. Now for highlights, using white gel pen. I hope you enjoy this video. If you want to watch my other videos, click the I button appear on the screen. Thanks for watching.